Speaking of foods, let's talk about other ways of activating autophagy without fasting and exercise. So I'm going to give you some of the autophagy boosting foods that are going to help with this cleansing and self-devouring. Sulforaphane is inducing autophagy through ERK activation in neural cells. Cruciferous vegetables and dark leafy greens like kale and broccoli, they have a ton of sulforaphane. Azuki bean extract has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and stimulate autophagy. Quercetin compounds induce autophagy. Foods high in quercetin are onions, pomegranate, red onions, cranberries. Garlic contains quercetin, but it specifically stimulates autophagy as well, so garlic is a superfood. Medicinal mushrooms like reishi and chaga induce autophagy and can fight cancer as well. They're also one of the highest antioxidants in the world, and they're incredible for the immune system. The beta-glucan signaling of these mushrooms is also connected to autophagy. Punicalagin is a compound found in pomegranates that promotes autophagy. Silibinin is a natural flavonoid that increases autophagy via mitochondria and the reactive oxygen species signaling. Milk thistle has silibinin. 6-chagal is a compound in ginger which induces autophagy by inhibiting the AKT and mTOR pathway. Resveratrol inhibits breast cancer stem-like cells and it induces autophagy. Resveratrol is found in dark grapes, berries, cherries, and red wine. Everything that has these darker pigments and, thick skins, darker skins, these polyphenols. Excess zinc can also support the stimulation of autophagy. Foods rich in zinc are oysters, liver, red meat, eggs, salmon, and pumpkin seeds. But you don't want to be over-consuming zinc either. Curcumin induces autophagy by activating AMPK. Piperine, which is a compound found in black pepper, induces autophagy, and it also boosts the bioavailability of curcumin, which makes it a double whammy. Tart cherry supplementation improves working memory, hippocampal inflammation, and autophagy in aged rats. Omega-3 fatty acids induce autophagy. DHA found in fish is also critical for cellular metabolism and mitochondrial functioning. Coffee induces autophagy and has benefits on cellular metabolism. Epigallocathin-3 gallate, or EGCG, is a green tea polyphenol that stimulates autophagy. Ursolic acid induces autophagy and suppresses inflammatory responses. Apple skins, grape skins, and berries have ursolic acid. And all the nutrients of any type of fruit or berry or any vegetable, they're mostly in the skin. Cayenne pepper has this compound called capsaicin that induces autophagy. Theobromine found in cacao and dark chocolate have protective elements on the mitochondria. Cacao is also one of the best sources of magnesium, which is another critical component to the mitochondria. Vitamin K2 has been shown to trigger both autophagy and apoptosis simultaneously in leukemia cells. Fenugreek extract can also induce cellular death by autophagy. Cranberry extract induces both apoptosis and autophagy in humans. Extra virgin olive oil and all the other polyphenols found in dark berries, dark leafy green vegetables, and the herbs and spices. Caloric restriction mimics like berberine, tamarind, and rapamycin also trigger autophagy. So these are this huge list of foods that are said to have an autophagic effect on your body, and I definitely try to implement them into my one meal a day, almost practically every day as well, to keep my body vigorous in this sense. Body-mind empowerment.
Get stronger, faster, smarter, quicker, friendlier, more helpful, more driven.
Everything the body needs.
Control your mind.